यस सर, सर स्टार्ट कर दिए सर, फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल हो गया है।
कितने प्रैक्टिकल हो गए?
सर टोटल 2 प्रैक्टिकल से सर, फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल हो गया सर।
टोटल 5 हो गए हैं बच्चे। पहले में रिक्रिस्टलाइजेशन अलग है, स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन अलग है।
यस सर, वो स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन तक कंप्लीट हो गया सर, आगे के एसिड वैल्यूज करने हैं सर।
हाँ, एसिड वैल्यू, सपोनिफिकेशन वैल्यू एंड आयोडीन वैल्यू, 3 ये हो गए। 5 प्रैक्टिकल हो चुके हैं, आज 2 करेंगे। So first synthesis is synthesis of acetaldehyde, starting with aniline. First we take up its principle. Acetaldehyde is synthesized from aniline by acetylating it with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride is Ac2O in presence of glacial acetic acid. Aniline is a primary amine and basic in nature. Acetic anhydride, an anhydride of acetic acid, acts here as a source of acyl group. Can you differentiate between acyl and acetyl? Yes. Acetyl is CH3CO, whereas acyl is RCO. That is a general group. That could be say, acetyl, that could be benzoyl, right? So when it is a general group, it is acyl. When it is a particular, it is acetyl. Acetic anhydride acts as source of acyl group. Aniline reacts with acetic anhydride to form acetaldehyde by nucleophilic substitution reaction, and the reaction is called acetylation. In this reaction, aniline acts as a nucleophile and acyl group from acetic anhydride acts as electrophile. Here the hydrogen atom of NH2 group is replaced by acyl group and we get acetaldehyde. Their aim is to prepare acetaldehyde from aniline. This is the mechanism. This is nucleophile and acetic anhydride. This acyl group is electrophile. Here is the lone pair of electrons. So that's how we get this intermediate, which is departing with acetic acid, and we are getting acetaldehyde. It is an antipyretic agent, but it is not used because it is toxic, and we have better antipyretic agents like paracetamol and aspirin. Requirements: chemicals, acetic acid, acetic anhydride mixture 20 ml, aniline 10 ml. Acetic anhydride is a banned item. Why it should be banned? Any guess? It has some connection with a narcotic drug. Have you heard of heroin?
Yes, sir.
हाँ उसके बाद हम फ्यूचर में चले आते हैं.
Huh? Acetylation of morphine produces heroin. So that is a banned drug. That is why this acetic anhydride is a banned drug. It's not obtained easily. Aniline 10 ml, apparatus, conical flask 250 ml, reflux water condenser, Buchner funnel, measuring cylinder, filter paper. Procedure. Add 20 ml of a mixture of acetic anhydride and glycerol acetic acid, equal volume of acetic anhydride and glycerol acetic acid, to 10 ml of aniline in a conical flask of 250 ml. Fit a reflux water condenser to the flask and gently boil the mixture for 10 minutes. Then pour the hot liquid into 200 ml of cold water with constant stirring. Crystalline quickly crystallizes. Filter yields by a pump and wash the crude acetylite well with water. Recrystallize from about 60 ml of mixture of 1 volume of acetic acid and 2 volume of water. 1:2 acetic acid is to water. Filter off the colorless crystals at the pump. Again wash thoroughly with water. Drain and dry. Alternatively, the crude acetylite may be recrystallized from boiling water, but in this case, a much greater volume, 300 ml of solvent will be required. Calculation. Here, limiting reagent is aniline, hence yield should be calculated from its amount taken. Molecular formula of aniline, C6H7N. Molecular formula of acetylite, C8H9ON. Molecular weight of aniline is 93. Molecular weight of acetylite is 135 gram. Theoretical yield, that how much aniline should give how much acetylite, that is obtained by theoretical yield. 1 gram of aniline forms, 93 grams forms 135 gram of acetylite, therefore 10.3 gram will form this much of acetylite. 135 into 10.3 divided by 93 is equal to 14.95 gram. So from this much aniline, that is 10.3 gram aniline, we should get about 15 gram of acetylite. Practical yield is the yield what we get in the lab. Percentage yield is practical yield divided by theoretical yield multiplied by 100. So conclusion is acetylite was synthesized and the percentage yield was found to be this much percent. And this is the melting point and this is the yield. That is the practical yield. Next is benzyl. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
So we are synthesizing benzyl from benzoin. What is the difference? Difference only at this carbon. This hydroxyl alcohol is converted into ketone. What is this process called? Oxidization. That is by means of nitric acid. Here alcohol group of benzoin is oxidized to ketone group forming benzyl in the presence of concentrated nitric acid. Nitration of aromatic ring is not occurring as sulfuric acid is totally absent in the whole process. So when sulfuric acid is there, nitration takes place. Here it is just the oxidation. This is the mechanism. Here is nitric acid. This is attacked by this OH and we get these intermediates which are rearranged to give benzyl, and it is used in the manufacture of glycolate pharmaceuticals including benzylic acid, clidinium, phenytoin and flutoronium. Requirements: chemicals, benzoin, concentrated nitric acid, ethanol. Apparatus required is round bottom flask, beaker, pipette, glass rod, Buchner funnel. Procedure: 20 gram of benzoin and 100 ml of concentrated nitric acid are taken in a round bottom flask and heated on a boiling water bath for about 1.5 hours with occasional shaking until the evolution of oxides of nitrogen ceases. The content is poured into 300 to 400 ml ice cold water with shaking. Then the product is filtered with suction and washed with cold water. How do you apply suction? How to get negative pressure? By attaching with a vacuum pump and washed with cold water. It is recrystallized from ethanol, taking 2.5 ml per gram, melting point 94 to 96 degrees centigrade. So next time I'd like to see all the practical records of all the students, right?
Okay, sir.
That's all for today. Thank you very much. God bless you. Who is
Thank you,
taking
sir.
attendance?
Sir,
Harshita?
I'm taking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You have taken or taking?
Done, sir.
Okay then. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.